The reason why there will never be Black unity globally is because of nationality versus race. Black Americans do not hold on to their nationality as hard as other Black people. America has dragged us and treated us like shit. We are still going through it. But we love our Black culture. We are sensitive about it and we take everything to heart. Black people in other countries tend to put their nationality first. They love their country. They love where they're from. Trust me, I know. My family's from Panama, and they'll tell you quick that they're Panamanian. Disconnect is y'all don't want to see how y'all are still oppressed in your countries, but we see it. So when we fight for racism, we fight for everyone. But it's kind of hard to do that when y'all are telling us every other second, it's not that serious. It's not that serious. It's not that serious, but it is. Jamaicans love to tell you it's one nation there. Okay, but the Asians and whites owned more properties than any of you. Africans, especially West Africans, love to tell us it's not that deep. Don't worry about it. But we love to braid their hair. We love to do this. We love to do that. But you're in debt to almost everyone. China and Europe damn near own most of your countries. My European Blacks, I mean, those white people out there are very blatant about how they feel about you, but then we have my Afro Latinos and Caribbeans, me. Y'all hold strong to that flag, honey. Very strong, as you should. Our culture is beautiful. Our food is fantastic. But you know why you straighten your hair like that? You know why you perm your hair like so? You know you are not treated the same when you have 4C hair and darker skin. You know that. Why is bleaching so prominent in the Caribbean and in African countries? Why do you think that is? Why do you feel like you're not beautiful? Why does your family not want you to marry someone as dark as you? Until everyone is ready to collectively fight oppression in their countries, we will never be on the same page. And until everyone is finished being ignorant towards everybody else, we'll never be on the same page.